everyone! So, do you see these again? The leaves are back. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I got them from my old room, obviously. Yesterday Luke was amazing. Luke and I, we hung them up and he used his Tommy driller thingy and he did an amazing job. So I just want to say thank you to Luke over here as well. But that's something, they're back and I'm just so happy. I'm so very happy. The leaves, man. The leaves are part of Kezzy's corner now. So I cannot do videos without leaves, to be honest with you guys. Cannot. Okay, so today's video is, by the way, hi, my name is Kezia. I'm from Kezzy's Corner and I love all things makeup, beauty and all that jazz. Today's video is just going to be me getting ready. It's Easter Sunday today, so I'm just going to get ready to go to my parents for Easter lunch. So yeah, we're just gonna sit down together and just get ready. Oh my god, I'm so happy though. I'm wearing also these Primark earrings I had gotten way back when I was in Sterling. And I also have this jacket so I don't actually drop on my white shirt again like I did in last week's video. So I have some things basically to try out which are new, so I've never tried them out. That is today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you all have a lovely Easter as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. The first product that I have is this one right here. This is the Revolution Ceramide Primer because recently they released a new collection, the Ceramide collection. Look at how pretty and gorgeous this packaging is, I swear, honestly. So cute. So I'm just going to use this and we're just going to use this primer. Ooh, it comes out pink. Just like my pink earrings, pink jacket. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this. Ooh, it feels really refreshing. There's no scent to it, so I wouldn't say there's a scent, but it comes out really refreshing. Something I want to apply on my eyes. Under my eyes is this one, the Miracle Eye Cream. I absolutely love this product. And again, it's from Revolution as well. But I love it. It's really nice and refreshing, honestly. Now I'm just going to apply a foundation because I want to try out the IRL Filter Concealer and Powder, which I've never tried out. But I've tried out this one. This is the IRL Filter Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. I had done a video on it. And yeah, it's a really good overall foundation, I feel. And we're just going to apply it all over. Okay, my goodness, I am really fair. But hopefully now, you know, the weather is going to change. And I will get some color again because yeah, my color is very fair. So we need some color here because very fair. But you can see like the coverage of this foundation is really good overall and it blends in really nicely and it's not heavy at all on the skin. I absolutely love it. Now something I've never tried before is the IRL Filter Concealer. So this is a new product which I've never tried before, so obviously I have to take away the plastic. I thought that was gonna be easier, but it's not. Supposed I got it. The IRL Filter Concealer, and I got mine in C1. Why did I do that? And I'm just going to apply some. I like the doe foot applicator. It's quite a shape, I swear. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to see how it blends in. First time trying it, but I've heard good things about this concealer. To be fair, like Revolution always do really good face products, I feel, since the Conceal and Divine. I feel that they did very well. But to be honest with you guys, I've kind of stopped buying from them because I feel like they constantly release things. And like the only things I will definitely buy is like when they release something like this. That's the only reason why I went to make the order, because they released the concealer. But apart from that, I don't know, I feel like they constantly release things and it's a bit too overwhelming. It's a bit too much, you know what I mean? The concealer applied, I'm really liking it a lot. It just concealed very nicely. It blended in very, very nicely as well. Yeah, it's a good color actually. I'm glad I got the C one. Also bought this one, which I haven't tried. This is the Revolution, the Peach and Red Color Concealer. And I got this because I have a bit of a dark spot over here. And I wanted to try it out because, you know, with orange concealer you can basically hide dark spots, but I forgot to apply it. And it's fine. I mean, it's not as significant as I initially thought it was when I saw it the first time. But actually, maybe this foundation is a very good foundation as well. And now we're going to use this one, the IRL Filter 2-in-1 Pressed and Loose Powder. So it's a 2-in-1 actually. Okay, so it comes like this, very fancy packaging, if you don't mind me saying. And I'm guessing you open it. Oh my god, it is a 2-in-1. Oh my god, why did I get it white? But it says blurs and mattifies and it's a translucent. Okay, so this is the pressed powder. And then I'm guessing you open... How do you open this?
A few moments later.
Ah! I figured it out. I'm so smart. So there's one part and then there's two parts. Wow, Cassie, I just did maths. Okay, so look how cool is that? I've never owned a powder like this. That's really cool. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to try out the pressed powder, to be fair. Just going to apply this all over where we applied our concealer first. Oh, I can use the mirror as well. Okay, very nice. Oops. A little bit on my forehead. I really like that. I never had a powder like this. Very, very cool. So you just twist it to get the powder, the loose powder basically. Basically now I'm just going to do my brows. I'm going to use the Revolution, the Soap and Care, which comes like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray it. I'm going to use the Super Duper for this one. What you do is first I like brushing up my brows. Then you're just going to get your brush of the soap and you're just going to brush them up. Brushed my brow, my soap brow, because it was getting annoying. I think that's something you definitely should do. And I'm just going to continue brushing up my brows. Hello. I'm very happy with the lights. They came really good.
I'm glad. But right now I'm ruining the background, so...
Yes, you're taking away the lights. But I think, you know, you should do a video with me.
Okay. Give us some ideas, please.
Okay, so now I'm just using my Revolution Pro Ash Brown eyebrow pencil. I think from Revolution Pro, basically. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. So just over here, because this is quite... Okay, so I'm just going to fill them in. Yeah, that's how they're going to stay, basically. My brows do not match at all. I like this pencil, to be fair. It's quite a good pencil. I just need to learn how to fill in the brows a bit better. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my brow gel from Revolution as well. This is the last eyeshadow palette I bought from Revolution, and it's the Ultimate Lights eyeshadow palette. I find that this is a really, really beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to do something simple. We're going to start with Essential. So we're going to place this all over the crease. I didn't think that this shade would come out so much. Well, yeah, it did. Okay. What do you guys do for Easter? We usually just have lunch at my parents' house. So this is good. And I'm gonna take, I think I'm just gonna take, Midnight. Midnight is Calling My Name, which is this one right here. And I'm going to place that in my outer corner. And then what I do is I just fluff the brush. It's a very, very simple technique I've done. And then I just use what I've applied. Circle, circle, circle. circle motions to create that outer corner. And then I'm just going to take the first shade we use, which is Essential, and just blend that in. So something like that, very, very simple, guys. So then we're going to see what we're going to use as a base shade. And I would say that the base shade I want to go for is, I think this one, because this one's really pretty, Glamour. So I'm just going to use my fingers basically. Nothing's too extravagant. Ooh, it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. And don't mind my fingernail. And as you can see, I don't want to kind of like my eye. So I just use tap, 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 tapping motions. And like that, I get what I want. Not too much, but just right. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just blend, it's called Season. And I'm going to blend that in between my crease, my outer corner, and also my base shade. Okay, so we're just going to now just blend everything. Now, what I want to definitely do is obviously an inner corner, and I think the one I want to take, oh, this one, Glitz, which is right next to the shade I used, the Glamour shade. Okay, what is happening? Got stuck on the hairs. I think these shades would have applied really well if they were wet, but it's fine. I think I'm just going to use something small for my lower lash line, and I think I'm just going to use this one, which is called Espresso, which is really pretty actually. I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use this one, the 5D Whip Lash Mascara. This is actually new, I've never tried it before, but look at the wand. Okay, I really like the mascara. It really did a very good job. And now we're just going to do the bronzer. I have this bronzer that was from the collaboration with Matte. I absolutely love this bronzer. Haven't applied bronzer like this in so long. For blush, we're using this one. It is the Quark blush, which is a beautiful, beautiful blush actually. Oh dear, it's a lot of blush. So just blending out. And for highlight, we're using this one. So this one's called Reactive. Like, I actually really like using this. As a lipstick, we're just going to use this one. I absolutely love this one. This one is called Brunch. I've used this a couple of times before. I'm going to use the Ceramide, this is the spray. I bought this as well because I was curious, and we're just going to apply this. So 1 second, because I need to make sure it sprays okay. Alright. It smells okay, like usually sometimes these have like weird smells, but actually to be fair, this smells good and I really liked it. Okay, so this is the look of today. Very pink because of my blush, but that is what we're working with, but I really like it. So this is my Easter look for 2023 as well. So yeah, I really like how these spray, like basically sprayed. I also really like the concealer. I feel like that this is a very good concealer. But yeah, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just me getting ready. Also, like at the end, I'm like a bit late, so I need to dash basically. So I hope you all have a lovely Easter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.